TxStampin Sharon. I have got an adorable little ladybug project to share with you today. I have a lot to talk about that little ladybug set, so I hope that you will enjoy this video and my tips and tricks that I have to share. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. I invite you to hit the subscribe button below and then hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video or when I do a YouTube live. I do YouTube lives twice a month. Let's get started. Here is the precious little card that we're going to make today. It is using the cute little ladybug stamp set. Now, you can't buy this stamp set, sad to say. If you have received the Sale-A-Bration catalog from me, you will notice in the back that here is the cute little ladybug. You can get this for free when you host a Stampin' Up party. All right, well, what if you don't want to do a party? What if you have a really big order because the new mini catalog launched January 3rd, and you're like, oh, I'm getting pretty close to $300. If your order is $300, you get this thing for free. So cute. Now, let's talk about some other ways that you could host a party. You could do what I call a catalog party. I can email you the link to see the PDF and for you to share it with your friends. And if your crafty friends want to place an order, I can help you put that order together. And so then you can get this for free. Now, those orders qualify for every $50 you spend, you get to pick something else out of here for free. Sale-A-Bration is the time for free. I'm telling you, it is the best time of the year with Stampin' Up. And let's not forget, if you happen to join during Sale-A-Bration, you pay $99 for the starter kit, anything you want from any of the current catalogs. Then you get this free pack of designer series paper. They're 6x6. You get this cute little mini trimmer. And then you get a stamp set free, any value, your choice. I'm telling you, how much more free can Stampin' Up give? I have all my pieces ready for us to create our card with. My Whisper White cardstock is 4 1/4 by 11 inches, scored and folded at 5 1/2. I have a scrap piece of Whisper White and a scrap piece of Poppy Parade. And then I have my designer series paper is actually from the Golden Honey Specialty Designer Series paper that you could choose for free if you spend $50. Then I have a piece of Whisper White that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. The first thing I want to do is stamp this is a big stamp, so I like to flip it over and ink it up this way. First thing I want to do is I'm going to stamp my flower at an angle in the corner. I really like to hold that stamp there for a few seconds. It really helps transfer all of the ink onto the cardstock. Next, we're going to stamp, hey lady. And then we're going to stamp, thinking of you. We really want to let the memento ink dry because it will smear if we go to color it before it's too dry, before it's completely dry. And with my Whisper White scrap, I'm going to stamp my ladybug, taking a 2 1/4 inch punch, and I'm going to punch out my Poppy Parade. And then I'm going to take a 2 inch circle punch and punch out my little ladybug. I have 3 colors of Stampin Blends that I'm using: Greeny Apple Green, Poppy Parade, and Daffodil Delight, all in the dark versions. Whenever I'm using Stampin Blends, I like to be able to turn my project around so that I have a better angle. I'm going to take a black Stampin' Right marker and complete the back of the ladybug. I have to tell you, Stampin' Up demonstrators love to do something we call swaps. I made 37 of these cards to submit from my swap. I feel like me and this little ladybug, we have bonded. So now we're going to add our designer series paper, and the most important thing is coming all the way to these corners when you're adding your snail, because we don't want those corners to lift up. We will add this layer to our card base. And we'll pop up our ladybug with dimensionals. You know, my website store is in the description box below, and I must mention something. When you shop from my store, please don't choose no contact, because when you do that, I literally see the words no contact. I don't know who you are. I can't thank you. I've gotten some really big orders lately, and I feel bad because I can't thank you. So we've created one card. How about if we show a different version? On this one, I added a thin strip of Poppy Parade just to kind of break up the pieces. And then let's look at something altogether different. How about this? You're cute as a bug. Again, using the designer series papers and coloring them with the Daffodil Delight. These were also colored with the Stampin Blends. There's a little bit of gray, a little bit of gray granite, and then that. So there are 3 cute little ideas for you to inspire you to get the Little Ladybug stamp set. So remember, the way to get this cute little ladybug set is if your order is $300. That is yours alone, or when you combine it with friends. Happy stamping, y'all!